Hey everybody, if your phone touchscreen is not working properly and you are looking out for some software troubleshooting, in this video we are going to guide you through some steps for that. So let's just dive right in. Start by accessing your settings application for that. And once you access your settings, you can go to system or system update, scroll down, find software update and tap on it. And then basically download and install the latest update if there is any kind of available. Apart from that, you can also adjust a tap, touch or touch sensitivity in display settings sometimes. So you can go to settings for that and go to display section and tap on it. And within display, usually you can find an option called adaptive touch, something like that, touch sensitivity. So you just need to go over and you can adjust it. You can turn it on or turn it off and see if that is causing the issue as well. Apart from that, you can clear out your temporary system files without deleting your data. So you can look out for that as well. You can clear out the cache also for some specific application if that is not working properly. For example, Facebook, and then go to their info at the top. And from there, just go over and scroll down and find storage and tap on it. And look out for clear cache in the bottom right and tap on it. And clear the cache for that particular application. Also, you can wipe out cache partition on your Android device wholly by going to the safe mode in booting. So for that, you can just go over and hold the power button and your volume button at once, and you should be taken to that. At last, if nothing else works, you can erase all the data and settings. For that, you need to go to factory reset. So go to settings and scroll down and find the option for general management. And within there, scroll down and find the option for reset and tap on it. And basically look out for factory data, reset and tap on it. And that should fix the deep software issues, but requires setting up your phone once again. And if your screen is physically cracked, you need to seek repair, have a professional repair or replacement, and that will only fix your issue. But for now, you can try out the solutions. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.